I'm live with Nexus Tech Talk. Good day, guys. My name is Victor Conqueror. I'm a full stack developer, and this is my 1 year plus of experience in development. Um, about myself, I'm a kind of person that loves solving real world problems, a very curious one at that. So that has helped me build my skill and help me grow fast in the industry because every new thing I see, every new um, strange thing I see, I tend to like ask what what was it about, how is it made, how is it done. So it has elaborates my understanding and helped me grow more faster. So that's that about myself. So in my early days of tech, I started as I started I entered tech as a normal computer operator. I learned MSO, Corridor, Photoshop, Excel, PowerPoint, and the likes. And after that, I transited into computer engineering, where I stayed almost up to like 3 to 4 years doing computer engineering. So, based on my curiosity and out of trying to know how things work, anytime I ask, how does this thing works? What I hear is programming. I ask this window, how does it work? What I hear is programming. If we, the software part of our job, like trying to install some certain application and all this kind of stuff. How is this made? If I ask them, they will say it's programming. I was like, what is even this programming? I started digging deep, doing some research and every other stuff like that. Did some research on how to learn it, where can I learn it and all those kind of stuff. So after some time, to cut the long story short, after some time I started learning like from grasshopper, solo learn and all this kind of stuff. But it took like 2 years more before I ventured into software development. I still do my research, I still watch YouTube videos and all this kind of stuff. Like before I started learning properly, like from the hub, from the boot camp. So and since then, this is where I am today. So that's what actually trying to know what how things work and the like. So that moved me, like it gave me passion because I've already have passion in anything tech right from the time. So as I see that wow, I can actually build something like this and people can use it and all this kind of stuff, that inspired me to go into tech. There are so many biggest challenges in development, but the one I've seen so far based on where I am now is the years of experience, and the other one is people wanting experience there. Meanwhile, they are not giving them the opportunity to like get the experience. So let me start from the years of experience. So as a developer, any room you enter, anywhere you enter, everybody tends to like attach your year of experience to how good you are. So when they ask you your year of experience and you mention your 1 year of experience, everybody tends to look you low. Everybody tends to like, what can you bring to the table? Like I don't know, that impression. Any room you enter, that impression, that's what they give, and sometimes it affects like, so like you can never you hardly see a job role that will say years of experience should be 1 year or all those kind of stuff. So all those, when you want to apply for job and you see like you see 5 years and all those kind of 3 years, 2 years plus, and you will feel more depressed. But sometimes I just do apply and all those kind of stuff. And the other one, people not wanting to employ, they want experienced developers, but they don't give the chance for those ones who don't have, because if you don't get the job, how can you have experience? They want somebody who have experience in building large production ready this thing, and they are not giving you the opportunity to have the job, to have hands-on experience on all those kind of things. So how will you get those experience? So that's one of the biggest challenges. That's why I still tell anybody to like always acknowledge their first company who give them the opportunity to like give them that experience. So that's that for that. One of the projects that I'm mostly proud of currently, there are two actually. So there is TimeWise and there is AI Pump Hub. So Pump Hub is a community platform that give like a community platform for prompts. So users can come share, discover, create, and learn how to prompt. That is, it's a community where no, there are so many prompts out there, how to prompt, how to get good prompt and all those kind of stuff. And there are some people who don't even know how to prompt. They have the AI, they have the resources, they have the money to pay, but they don't know how to get the most out of them because they don't know how to prompt. So this platform is like giving the opportunity for creator, people who are already good in prompting, to come create prompts, share their own prompt that work for them, and people who are less with the knowledge and capability of prompting can come there and come scoop prompts and use it for their own experience and their own value and all those kind of stuff. So it's like a community platform to discover prompt and like. Then the second one, TimeWise. TimeWise is an attendance tracking platform. So it's just use the device you already have to track staff attendance in your organization. So no need for the expensive machine and the QOC device and the likes. So you just make it's either your laptop, your phone, or anything. It comes with biometrics, like things like Windows Hello, Touch ID, Face ID, and the like. So any device, it supports the device biometrics. So it's any device you can use to track your staff attendance. So no need for expensive machine and external devices to start tracking your. It have high analysis to analyze staffs, to analyze lateness based on department and the likes. Supports biometrics and QR code scanner and the rest. So that's my two projects I'm proud of currently. Um, if you know me very very well, I'm a very very big dreamer. So I dream very very big, and I work towards those goals actually. So 3 to 5 years is not is a very very when I say long, or like it's a very very long period of time, I would say so, because I believe that within that period I would have built myself to the extent I want, like the full capability of what I want, because I believe that someone should be able to learn deeply and be so good that they can't ignore you, so that I have that confidence in myself that I can go wherever, like they'll be the one asking for me. I'll build myself in a way that me, I believe more knowledge, learning, and building than wanting to be in a big place. So I believe that if I have the knowledge, I have the proof. That is, I have the knowledge and I've implemented those knowledge. So I believe that they will be the one that will come to me. So if I have this already, I believe that I'll be in a very very great place. Is either Google, Microsoft, Netflix, or any big company. Even as Steve said, I can be an entrepreneur of my own because I'm working towards that actually. So I'm a two-way man. If the job I put doesn't work, then the entrepreneurship might work. Okay, area of specialization. Like I said earlier, I'm a full stack developer. So, um, a full stack developer do front end, do back end, and in fact, anything you bring to the table. But I would say I'm interested in back end more because even before I even enter web development, I did more of research on back end. Like I fell in love with back end, but this period, front end is more demanding this period actually. So wherever the call comes from, I'm also still good in front end, but I love back end more. I'm live with Nexus Tech Talk.